Okay, so now we're going to be doing the final testing for Objective 7 of my Computer Science NEA. And this is mainly going to cover the Setup League page and the functions on the Setup League page, including setting up a league and removing a league if necessary. So we already have our app here and it's running over here. So if I was to log in as an owner, just quickly do that here. They've already set up a few leagues already on this example. Login successful, here we go. And they've already set up 3 leagues here, so we can already see that. Now we're going to go to the setup leagues page, and you'll be able to see, if you go back to final testing objective 1 video, that this page can only be accessed by referees, by owners, sorry. And you can see that again in the final testing objective 1 page. So here we have the setup league page with the form for setting up a league and the option to remove a league from your selection of leagues. So everything is right in that in this sort of page, and we just want to check my league. So if we go to the database, we can see the table users. So owner, we've signed in as owner, who has user ID 13. And if we go to table leagues, it will show the leagues, and the owner ID here signifies these are the 3 leagues that this owner has used: the Premier League, Championship and League One. So they've all been set up there, so this function works as it should. And now essentially we just want to quickly create another league called Testing 2, T1, T2, T3, T4. You have to have 4 teams for a league. And we're going to submit that and just ensure, there you go, league created successfully, and that's going to appear there. Alright, so that works, and it's listed there in the previous league setup. Okay, so next we're going to set up a league with the right amount of teams. So we're going to set up with 7 teams, which is an odd number, a bit different to the 4 we've just used. So we're going to just go League 1, well, with the number 1. I don't know, Team 1, Team 2, Team 3. I could have done this a better way, couldn't I? Team 4, Team 5, Team 6, 6, and Team 7. Now, this, because it's an odd number, the fixtures will be a bit different to an even number. So, of course, in a game week, I don't know if that's actually, oh yeah, it has processed it. In one game week, not all 7 teams can play because there's not an even number of things. So if we go to the fixtures and results and go to testing, it was testing 2, or was it? No, it was League 1, wasn't it? League 1. There we go. As we can see here, there we go. So we have 3 games per game week, and every fixture should be played in this, and obviously we can scroll through and have a look at them all in detail if you need. But as you can see, all 7 teams are involved in the fixtures. And if we go to the standings, apologies, my website's being a bit slow. If we go to League 1, it will show the 7 teams in the league when it loads. I don't know why it's being a bit slow at the moment. But there, obviously they're not in numerical order because they're in alphabetical order here. So if we go back to the setup league page, that shows that we can set them up well with an odd number. So if we now go League 2, I just want to show you what happens when we try and set up a league with only 3 teams. You need a minimum of 4 teams to create a league. So if we try with 3, there must be at least 4 teams to create a league. And the league, as you can see, is not listed here and therefore has not been created. Likewise, if you wanted to set up a league 1, 2, 3, 4 with no league name, that should not be allowed. You have to have a league name to identify that league. So there is a slight problem with the flash in there, but I can, if I go to the database very quickly, I just want to see whether table leagues. Okay, there's a bit of a problem there, so I'm going to have to fix that. Right, so I seem to have fixed the problem here by adding this little bit of code here, which essentially says that any blank piece of text that's taken in by this variable is refused and it can't go into the process of creating any type of league. So if we now run the code again, hold up, and we go onto the website. Come on. Right, here we go. If we log in as, we're going to log in as the other owner for now. Is what we're going to do. And yeah, we're going to go to the setup league page again now. Okay, so we're going to try again now, and we're going to enter 5 teams into this league and just double check that it works. Yeah, so now there must be a league name for the league. So essentially, that was the problem, yeah, so essentially because we entered blank as league name 1, it comes out of this loop and then gives us a message, either whether we've got, not enough teams, or there must be a name for the league as well. And the last test to do essentially is just deleting a league. So if we just create another league, testing 2, testing, we've already got that, so testing 3. Let's create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's going to create that league, and hopefully that will be there, so then we can delete it as one of our tests. There we go. Testing 3, remove the league. Testing 3. League deleted successfully, and just to double check, it shouldn't be in any of these boxes. No. So that is it. The league has been deleted successfully, and that is my test complete. Thank you very much.